This is so quick. Oh my god. It's so wet. This bus is so wet.
This thing goes extremely fast.
The partials of my time is gonna be like blah 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 blah. Whoa!
This thing is so fast, like the SMG Tomahawk, right?
SRT Tomahawk? Dodge SRT
Yes, I can call
Tomahawk?
this the new Dodge
SRT Bus Tomahawk.
Oh,
We lost the tire! We lost the tire!
yes, we did.
We lost the tire! We lost the
I
tire!
guess we're getting painted.
Oh no! Why? Help! Oh no! Can the engine still move?
Yes.
Is
There's
it
4 engines. Whoa, one of the tires are red.
No! Oh no! Bro!
Jacqueline, why is your green? Why is your chair green?
Oh no! It got too fast! Is it controllable to
Wait, it can turn. Even though without the wheels.
Me, Chibi, cannot understand
It's
this.
very fast. I know,
Chibi.
guys, right?
I'm a
It's very
Chibi.
fast.
I'm a Chibi.
Right, we need
I'm
to
a
get up.
Chibi. Oh! Yeah, we're gonna die. Wait,
Holy
what?
Gary.
Oh no! No! Oh no! Oh no!
Are you guys okay back there?
I'm not okay.
Oh, we flipped upward.
Oh good. Well, we have no wheels.
Yep, we have no wheels. Plus, look at it now. The damaged bus.
No! Oh!
Are you guys still okay?
Yes, I'm okay.
That's scary.
I lost so many HP when I healed up back.
Look at the bus now. It's just. Oh,
No!
no.
No! I'm out of here! I'm out of here! I'm out of here! I'm out of here!
No, I'm gonna survive. Protection.
I'm out of here! Oh! Wait, it's already 2 minutes?
No protection.
No! Oh no! Why did I do that? Jump!
Guys, I'm flying in the air.
I'm still jumping! Oh, wait, did I glitch? Hello?
No.
I'm about to make it.
Huh? I think I'm stuck! Help! I think I'm stuck! I think I'm stuck doing something.
Oh my god. That's all it is.
Oh!
Ketchup. Mustard. Look at the bus now.
Let me get up!
Destroyed. Look at the bus now. It's destroyed. I'm just gonna stay here.
I'm in the bad choice.
My hair always disappears.
Me and Chibi cannot understand what's going on right now. My red uploading head.
A sponge?
I told you this door is not allowed to be blocked. Get this chair up and that book up and get the teddy bears off the floor.
Okay.
Am I still alive, guys?
You're still alive.
I need to live, not die. Ah! Washing machine.
Draco had to leave.
No.
Why does Draco keep rejoining? Because of his internet's bad? Because that's the only thing that could possibly happen.
I need to go to the shelf. Please let me be on the shelf.
Yo, that Lee's coming back, guys.
I'm almost there.
I'm a Chibi. I can't be left alone.
I'm almost to the chest. You guys want to go in the crazy bus again?
Chibi, yeah. I like my Chibi. Look how small I am compared to a tree. I remember a secret lever.
Yes.
Is it this?
I died.
Or it's like this. Can't find the lever.
100. Oh, yeah. 390.
There's no secret. Jacko, can we do a side comparison? Jacko, stop. Can I do a side comparison? Just come on. Jacko's bigger than me, of course. Bro!
We're the same size.
I'm literally a little. I'm a little chibi. I want to be a little chibi. Ah! Me chibi can jump height. Oh, okay, I can't.
God.
I thought I could jump higher because I'm a chibi. Time to take the jetpack.
No! Spawn your own.
Okay, I'm gonna spawn it. It's on top of your head.
Hey. It works. Jalila, where are you?
I'm already still surviving.
Wow. Good job.
I survived into this.
July just died. We
Jalila,
need
just
you.
died. We need you.
I did that. No.
Where's he hiding? Miniguns!
Dang it.
I'm just gonna allow him to add anything.
Uh-huh.
I'm already not dying.
Who did that?
Was not me.
Was not me either.
It was got
No.
reload. Wait, it's gonna respawn it?
I'm gonna tell him.
Jacqueline, you died right there.
Yay, Draco's my friend.
No. No.
Burp, burp! Let's go, burp, burp! Wait for July for so long. July! Just hurry up, July.
Miniguns reload.
Hurry up, Jalila. Otherwise,
Not
we'll.
going to die.
Come on, please. Otherwise, we'll start without you. Let's just start.
Without me.
Well, let's just start.
Why the doors are open?
No.
Why is everything open?
Just leave the doors open.
Oh, we can close it now.
Dang. I'm like way too far. Just start without me. I'm already going to the chest.
No, we need. Oh my god, bro.
That is blue jetpack.
I can see a jetpack. Wait.
He's flying.
He flew on top.
He's going to his miniguns.
He can
I
control.
can't close this door. Oh well.
Doors don't matter.
I just built in this car today.
Chibi. I'm a 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 chibi in the front seat. Chibi in the front seat. Chibi in the front seat.
I'm already close, almost there.
Come on. Just open it and let's go. Let's go, girl.
Let's just go.
Start without me. I'm already going to the chest.
What about Draco?
Wait, where's Draco?
On top. He has a mystery block.
Oh, he fell. Just close this door.
I can't. You guys can close it, right?
It's our owner
You
door.
can see me almost there.
Bruh.
I can't.
That means when let's go super fast.
Super fast, huh? You want to go that fast, Danny?
Super fast that we lose all the tires.
Whoa! What
Wait.
the? We're floating!
Whoa! Whoa!
Hey.
Yo!
Floating!
We're stuck. Oh.
I have one.
Turn into wood. Everything turned into wood.
What just happened? Who turned everything to wood?
Treasure extra.
Ah!
It turned into gold. Why is everything changing colors?
You got mystery block.
That
Okay,
is so
guys, I got
funny.
1,057. If you guys.
Everything became golden.
I already.
Oh!
Level.
Even the miniguns. Look at them.
Oh, yeah. Let's just touch that thing.
I'm eliminating. I'm illuminating stuff in front of us. Oh my god, everything became gold.
Now I got some extra.
Wow. This is just going to be an easy lineup.
Is gold strong?
Ooh, I can buy some.
Oh!
Oh,
No!
we're gonna float.
Wait, we're not floating. And we are.
Giant, this is a crazy ride.
Craziest ride ever had before! Oh.
I can buy everything.
Draco, what is wrong with you?
Whoa.
I can't even see. Oh.
Yeah, I can't even see.
No,
Drive.
I'm trying to drive.
Where's the engines?
They're wheels.
375
Oh.
for these.
Oh, we lost one engine, which is the wheels.
Show up. There's 4 engines.
Hey, Jacqueline, try to pull up on that safe place.
What safe place?
The place where you can walk on. Try to pull up.
I'm trying to.
Try to pull it up.
I'm trying.
I guess you can. Ah! Draco!
Everything became
Wait,
golden.
Draco's a mini plushie now? Wait, no, his head's so big. Wait, why is my head big? Why are we zombies?
Why are we? I'm trying to pull up on there. We're floating again.
Oh!
We're floating again.
Mama!
We died.
We glitched.
That was crazy.
Never so far.
Hey, you guys.
You want me to bring the car back again?
Yeah, that was
Here
crazy.
comes the car.
Yoo-hoo! God, let's do a shout out
comes
for
the car.
God, let's do a shout out for everybody. God, let's stand next to the car. Right beside it.
Guys, I'm here.
Come on, guys.
That was crazy.
Guys, stand right here.
And I went to the
I'm gonna end the video. Just stand right here. I'm gonna end the video.
What about Draco?
Oh, there you go. Come on.
Yeah.
No worries, he's coming.
Jalila, stand on the car
Okay.
where I can see you.
He's here.
It's Draco. Oh, come on, Draco. I guess I'll have to unfull screen. Thank you guys for the video. Thank you guys for watching the video. See y'all next time. Bye.